first step is to wash the salad. Wash multiple leaves at a time. Then you can dry your salad leaves, lettuce, in what is called a salad spinner. It just dries your lettuce leaves out. Like that, you put it in there, put this on. Pull the string. Take it out. It's a little bit more dry. We'll add some bacon. Now we're going to cut some strawberries. Let's just slice it up right here. Put it in. So you can see I already have some pre-sliced here, so I'm just going to add it all in. And we have our strawberries in our salad. Now we're going to make some sugared almonds for the salad. So see here, there's some almonds with butter. I'm going to add some more. Now you can put some sugar in. Just a little bit of sugar. You can even add more almonds, how much you want, and then you just stir around until it gets caramelized. It tastes yummy. As you can see, the almonds are now caramelized, and so they're ready to be put in the salad. So we'll just put it in there. And it's going to taste delicious. Now we're going to add some feta cheese, just how much ever you prefer. So the last step is we're going to add the salad dressing, and I love Brianna's strawberry vinaigrette dressing. It's delicious, so I'm just going to add a little bit to that, and there you have it.